Okay, so let's create this effect. We're just gonna go here and add a gradient map. Easy. And now you can click on here. And I'm just gonna add here other color. Change the color to dark. So now we have this effect. I can also add a mask here, and then I can just remove some of the parts here, because I just feel like it's too sharp. Just a little bit. You don't have to do this. And now what you're gonna have to do here is we have this selected, and right at the top the gradient, let's hold option and add a clipping mask, and then we can select both holding shift, and then we can right click, and here we have merge layers or command A. All right, perfect. Now let's move to the next step. Now let's go and create a copy. So can press command plus J or control plus J, and now I can go to filter, blur, and Gaussian blur, and I can increase or decrease a little bit this Gaussian blur. I'm gonna add just around like this, and then I can go and add here. Let's see which one works the best for this kind of effect. So it's up to you to select which effect gives you the best result. All right. And what we need to continue doing here is press Command J again. And then here in filter, instead of going to Gaussian blur, we're going to use motion blur. It's going to add a very interesting effect. And we can press again Command plus J. And also here it's a good practice, which I know I didn't, so it's my fault. So actually add convert to smart object, because you can go back if you want to decrease the motion, you can go back and do that. But for this one, just gonna go with this. And now this is what we have here. And what I can do even further is to go to filter again, and here for this one I can add a color halftone. I can press OK. Make sure here when you add this, which you see here, that gives you this kind of effect, but you can decrease it. So in here, let's click on this, and when you're gonna need to decrease this or just change a couple of stuff here, because now let's see, it's different, and I can decrease now a little bit the opacity. Now look at this, looks much better.